Hello. So today we're trying to put a new windshield in the MGB. We've got the new one there. Got the old one here. Only problem is, what's our problem, Mikey?
Being stuck.
Yeah, the bottom piece that actually, if you look right there on the windshield, that broke off in the crash. And even though it's unbolted, it's in here, and I don't have small enough fingers to get out of there. So Mikey's trying it. Any luck? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is it going to be Mikey for the win here in a minute?
No.
No, almost. Wait. Dang it.
That's when I grab it.
Yeah, I know it rotates around, huh? Okay. We'll update you on this. Success.
Yay, we did it.
Got it. That was a pain in the ass. Okay. Now the other side. Okay, now we're going to unbolt the driver's side part that's broken off because I didn't even have to unbolt that to get the windshield out. I just left it, so there. You wanna, Mike? I'll let Mikey hold the camera. See, I'm trying to get this off, and the bolts are under the dash.
Yep.
So I've got two. I'm gonna try the first one and see how easy it comes out. The answer would be not very easy. Alright. The weird thing about this is it's British, so it's half metric, half standard. You don't know what the heck you're dealing with. It's just kind of a pain. So I don't know what size I'm working with here half the time. Mikey's helping me. Mikey's helping me do the video since I only have one hand here to do this.
Yep.
And we'll put a link to Mikey's YouTube channel. Probably gonna be making a few different videos of doing this.
I told you I had something.
And there's my mom.
There's a birthday. It says birthday. Happy birthday.
Oh, okay. Cool.
Wrap it and then put it in the bag.
And that was my mom.
Yep.
One bolt out.
Hooray.
Hooray! Now, the top one that's behind the dash is going to be the tough one, but if you take a couple of screws out, you can loosen the dash up a bit. Okay. Yeah, let's see if I, the other screw is, you can see the top of it right there. The other bolt is there, which puts it right between the dash and the fender wall. But if I take out a screw down here, I can wiggle this enough that I can kind of get in there. So now we're gonna try to maybe get that one out of there. I can reach it. This is a little more difficult on this side because I've got the steering wheel and all those goodies next to it. And I may need to use a wrench. 9/16. You want to have a 9/16 here?
Maybe.
In my pile of stuff. 1/2 inch. Really? 3/4? No 9/16? Are you kidding me? Guess we're going to the shop. Okay. This is success. We've got the other piece out off of this side. Now we're ready to put the windshield in.
Hooray.
Hooray! Okay. You hold this. I'm going to grab the windshield and put it in the car.
Yay.
Let's see. Okay. Okay, flip that door shut, Mikey. This is our new windshield. Complete complete. I just have to swap over the sun visors. It's got a nice mirror on it. But yeah, these are the pieces we were digging out. Those are what broke off in the accident. So the other one came out in several pieces, but this side was completely broken off on the driver's side, so I didn't even have to unbolt it. I just lifted it out. Normally, when you do these, you want to replace all this rubber and stuff so that it seals. But since I'm just putting this in so that I can drive it for summer, I just want to put it in, bolt it in, and then later this winter when it's down, I'll pull this off of here and I'll probably paint it and do all that good stuff. But in the meantime, we want a windshield. We want to drive it home. So. Okay, can you hold one hand on this thing so that it just, you have to hold it so it doesn't, just grab a hold of it so it doesn't go anywhere, because I have to get in the car. Because the easiest way to do this is right in the middle of the car. Okay, you can let go. In the background is my mom being a treat Nazi with a dog.
Yep.
Look, we got a windshield.
Hooray!
Yay! It's drivable again. So, and you just want to push it to where everything is tight on your weather stripping, and then you screw it down. The other side, obviously, see this wing window over here. I'm going to replace this because obviously bent, so it's not going to seal up to the rubber very well. But I have one of these coming, so I'm going to replace that. And then when I bolt it in, I'll pull it tight, and that way it'll be all sealed up. But for now, 2 bolts, and it's ready to go on the road. Wow, that didn't take as long as we thought, right, Mike?
Yeah.
That wasn't too bad. We only had to go out to the shop several times and get tools, and I think, did we curse at all? I don't remember. But wait, did you film all this in portrait or landscape?
Landscape.
Alrighty, so that is it for now. We'll make another video when we do more stuff. Probably the next thing we're going to do is take the top off of this skeleton and see how much we can bend back into shape. This was folded out at the time of the wreck, so it got kind of tweaked, but this top was due to get replaced anyway because of these quarter windows that the holes got bigger every time I folded it down, so its days were numbered anyhow. But I think I can salvage the frame, so. All right, so bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.